to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my Marley hair for reuse. I'm going to be using two products, and the first one is the Dr. Bronner's Eucalyptus Pure Castor Soap. I'm just distributing that on the hair, but not a lot because a little goes a long way with this product, and I'm trying my best not to get the hair tangled or knotted, so I'm just shaking it in the water and squeezing the hair at the same time. And yeah, next I'm gonna use the Aussie Moist Total Miracle 7-in-1 conditioner, just doing the same thing with that. And this soap will probably give it some kind of softness as opposed to the first soap. It really doesn't matter anyways because this is not human hair, but I just felt like using it. So I'm just squeezing the water out. I'm not rubbing or anything, I'm just squeezing the hair. If you guys ever experience itching when you use synthetic hair like braiding hair or even Marley hair, you can use the same method for braiding hair. What this does, it lifts up the film of the hair, the top coat of the hair that makes you itch, and it actually releases some of the dye on the hair because the dye can also make your scalp itch. So you can try this with your braiding hair as well, but of course you have to be very gentle because you don't want to have the hair frizzy before you actually install it. So I'm just getting some clean water just to rinse out the leftover soap from before, and I'm just patting down in the water and squeezing the hair at the same time, and that's it. Then I'm just gonna hang it up on a hanger for it to dry overnight. So it's the next day, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. These are some shots of the first time I did this install, and I had them in for 4 weeks. So I'm gonna be using my extreme wetline gel and a little of the she's balm. So I'm gonna be using 2 strands. First strand, I'm gonna plait that in or braid that in like how you do a knotless braid. Then I'm gonna get the second strand and do the same thing and plait for 2 to 3 more times, or until you feel comfortable with how it looks. I'd say to go between 2 and 3 because of course it's not a braid, it's a twist. after you've done that, you have to make sure in each hand you have 2 strands of the Marley hair for it to be evenly distributed. Then you're gonna twist, and you have to twist it tightly for you to get that chunky look and not that flat look, that flat slim look. It has to be like chunky. So twist tightly, or if you don't want to twist tightly and you don't like that chunky look, then just twist loosely. So repeating the first step, adding the first strand, plaiting that in, then adding the second strand and plaiting that in, then braiding / plaiting for 2 to 3 times. Then making sure I have 2 strands in each hand, then twisting tightly until I've gotten to the end of the twist. For my visual learners, I've slowed it down for you guys here, and I'll be playing some music so you guys can just watch. yeah guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it and you learned how to do this style. If you're still not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, turn on the post notifications. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one, or in the next video that you decide to watch after this one.